Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're going through the Shopify, looking for your store, making some changes, installing apps and all of that. And you are currently asking on how to actually see the full Shopify app store and install an app from there. Which basically make you powerful since it adds up some features like reviews, app sales, automation and even more. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually add apps on your Shopify in the 2026 version. Let's get started. Well, number one is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet into your favorite browser tab shopify.com. So this will take you to the main page where you should usually log in using your email address and password. So we're gonna wait again. Okay, it's fully done now. Now we're gonna go to the apps section by tapping on this apps menu right here. You can go to all recommended apps. By tapping this, you will be able to see this new window showing you a couple of apps. But you can always see more by tapping on this Shopify App Store. Let me close this for a second. Okay, Shopify App Store, open a link in a new tab, and here it goes. The whole Shopify App Store is here. Now, use the search bar, look for keywords like reviews, shipping, or even marketing. Select your app that you want to install and tap on install. This will make sure to add the app instantly. They're gonna ask you to basically give it some permissions and all of that. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.